Initial setup for wayfinding. If you plan to use your signage screens for automated wayfinding, then there are some one-time settings that you need to complete during setup. In this example, we have 3 meeting rooms with 1 screen each. The meeting room screens will show information about the events in the meeting room. Meanwhile, we have 1 screen in the lobby with a full overview of all the meeting room events. Let's begin setting up the meeting rooms. You can do this under Events and Locations. You need to tell the system about the 3 meeting room locations so that they can be booked for meetings and events. Use the Add Location button to add the meeting room names. The integration binding relates to third-party calendar integration, which is covered in a separate tutorial. Once you have created your meeting rooms, you need to link the rooms to the screens. You can do this under Events and Wayfinding. Let's start with the lobby screen. Here, you need to select which meeting room locations will be presented on the lobby screen. Just use the checkboxes. You may also optionally choose to include a wayfinding icon to direct the visitor to the meeting room. Either select from the images provided or upload your own icons if needed. If you need to delete an icon, use the Clear Icon option provided. You can drag and drop to insert a new icon or to replace an existing icon. Remember to save any changes. When it comes to the screens at the location of the meeting rooms, just specify the screen location using the drop-down list provided. Normally, there is 1 screen per meeting room location, and each needs to be mapped correctly here. As always, remember to save your changes when done.